How you can get thick hairs. In order to get thick hairs, we need to analyze many things which are related to hairs and their health. Too many people don't care about their hairs when they are in teenage, but when you reach at your adult age and your hairs starts getting weak and thin, and until the time you start noticing you get in a stage where your hairs are falling too much. At this moment we realize that we didn't paid attention to our hairs. But let's get towards it. We need to pay attention towards to our scalp. Check whether it's rough and dry or oily and sticky. First things first, we tend to think of oily hair as a bad thing. Sure, it makes you look a bit bad, but ultimately, it is fact that your scalp is producing the oil, called sebum. This is what keeps our scalp and hairs soft and hydrated. However, excessive amount of everything is bad, same as here excessive amount of sebum production may lead to scalp infections, thick scales and yeast infections as it is more prone at that moment, and all of these are probably the main reason for hair fall. But yes, we don't know how to solve it? In simple words, either we shampoo a lot or we don't, which leads to such problem. Shampoo twice or thrice a week, not more than that, and also after the gym as we sweat, and this can get settled into your scalp, so using shampoo immediately after workout to avoid dandruff. But still, even after that, if you're an active guy and you wear helmets too much, it may affect your hairs by friction alopecia, but luckily it can be cured, although if you have long hairs and you pull it back tightly, then this might cause traction alopecia. Now, if your hairs are falling out, there can be many reasons, such as not just alopecia but depression, restless sleeps, and nutrition. To fulfill all the needs for your hairs to eventually make them thick, there are few things we can do to get them into proper care. A balanced diet with good amount of protein in it can help you get thick hairs. Knowing your scalp and hair type. If you have oily hairs, you shouldn't be using conditioners, and if you have dry and rough, a conditioner can take good care of your hairs. Using essential oils like rosemary, tea tree, lavender and hibiscus once a week with hair mask is known to be thicken your hairs eventually. Drinking green tea can be very helpful for your hairs and skin as it has high amount of antioxidants, enzymes, amino acids and vitamins. Green tea is rich in catechins, which is known to help reduce in dihydrotestosterone (DTH), which is responsible for hair loss. Polyphenol, a essential compound of green tea, is known to be good for hair follicles and hair roots, which leads hair regrowth. Taking a good sleep and exercising daily can also lead in hair growth as it increases the blood circulation and cell regeneration process. Turmeric can also help in hair growth and thicken hairs, as it contains curcumin, which invigorates the scalp while remaining gentle on skin. It stimulates the hair growth as it fights free radicals, boosts antioxidants, and have anti-inflammatory properties to provide a healthy inflammatory response. If you like the video, gives us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to not miss any updates on health benefits.